Hi, I'm Liana.
My name is Steven.
Hi, my name's Kumani Blackwell.
My name is Phoenix Blackwell.
Hi, my name is Breland Hill.
I'm 10.
I'm 14 years old.
I'm 12 years old.
I'm 18 years old.
I'm 16.
How many miles have you biked?
25.
I've rode 62 miles, and my favorite thing about biking is the way the wind feels when it rushes into my face when I'm going fast.
I can ride 60 plus miles, and the one thing I love about biking is I like when new people come to our community and I can just welcome them into the bike community.
I love the bike because it gives me a deeper connection with my sister.
I like to bike because I have fun, it's great exercise, and I get to be with my family.
It's fun, it's giving me exercise, and I get to do it with my family.
So this is kind of like a main area of the center. These are all mountain bikes that are in here right now. We have some felt bikes over here, some expensive felt bikes that some people ride. I don't actually ride a felt bike. I ride a different bike. But I know someone who rides a felt bike. Down this hallway to the left, we have another storage area for bikes. And this is mostly road bikes in here.
This is my bike. Well, I couldn't fit any other one, so this one was made for me. And it fits me perfectly.
And here we have more road bikes, and this is also the bike shop. I do work on my own bike because every time I come in I have to check my tires for air pressure and fill them up. Sometimes I have to raise my seat or tighten the handlebars. So this bike is mine. This was the one that was custom made? This was custom made by Coach Edwin for me. It's more aerodynamic than my other bike. And I'm going to learn how to clip in on this bike soon as well. So I'll be able to go even faster than I can now. My speed will be matched by no one. Will be unparalleled. So this is where we keep the mountain bikes. And we also have some seats in here on the left wall.
And I got this one last summer, I guess. And I rode it in One Love when I did 25 miles. And then the tire went flat, with 10 miles left. So I had to switch out with Miss Teresa's bike and ride her bike the rest of the way back because this tire was flat. So, yeah, it was sad. 'Cause I like this bike.
You finished though, right?
I finished though.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.